Hey guys, we got the chest cam on with the new tires, new front and back tires, new graphics on it. Looks pretty sick. But yeah, so we're gonna be heading off to the T right now. But yeah, so let me know how much you guys like these POV videos. If you don't like them, I'll stop. But if you like them, I might make more. So yeah, let me know how much you guys like them, and I might make a couple more. Microphone's still on. All right. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna be going to the T because we did just get new tires and we got new graphics for them, which is pretty nice. Or actually, they're really nice. Oh yeah, we gotta hit that drift. Yeah, it's probably not one of the best ways to break in new tires, but we gotta test them out, see how durable they are. My tire flat? Nope. Alright, so yeah, we are gonna be heading off to the T. We're not going far, but it is something to cure your boredom if you want to ride. Forgot there was a tree down here. Yeah, so how's your guys' day going? Mine's going pretty good. So far it's going pretty good. Oh yeah, crawled right over that thing like it's nothing. And this bike is sitting pretty low. Well, it is a pit bike, so, and you've got a teenager sitting on it, so yeah. Was that tree down? Oh, nope, we're good. But yeah, like I said, let me know how much you guys like these videos, because I need to know if you guys like them or not. Because if you guys don't like them, then I don't want to keep posting all these videos that you guys aren't gonna watch. Another tree, jeez. Alright, we're at the T. We're gonna turn around, head back. But yeah, like I said, this isn't like some huge trail. It's something small, but it's fun. But yeah, like I said, let me know how much you guys like these videos. I've said that a lot. It's weird because I'm pulling in my front brake completely, and it's enough to slow me down, but it's not enough to stop me, which is actually kind of nice. Whoa. Coming in hot. Whoa. Whoa. That's a tree. Wow. Well, two good things happened. One, I didn't hit that tree, which I'm glad I didn't. And two, I made it without crashing. Whoa. And I made it through this whole trail without. I hope that this didn't get unplugged. If it did, that would suck. Everything's still plugged in good? Yep. Alright, we're good. Microphone's still on. Where is it? There it is. Alright, we're good. We are good. I think now I might do a couple laps on the track, get a couple decent whips in before the day's over. Yeah, I whip a pit bike. That's really embarrassing. But yeah, I'll do this. I'll play with this for a little bit. This is always fun. See if I can make a new trail. Where should I make this new trail at? Let's go right here. That was pretty fun. Wee! Wee! Wow! Whoa! 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 Alright, set back down. I think after this I might take my truck for a drive, but that'll be in another video. It won't be in this one, it'll be in another video. I hope I can get both of these posted today. Ow, I hurt. Yeah, but I hope I can get all these posted today. It might take me all night actually. Heck yeah! Alright, what about this one? Yeah, I hope I can get all these posted today, because it might take me a while. Oh man. Alrighty. Yeah, I hope I can take my truck for a drive. Later on today. Let's go, I cleared it. See if we can get a smooth jump in, like buttery smooth. Oh, that was nice. All right. Let's get a buttery smooth in. Ooh. That's nice. Whee! All right, now it's time to send it off of this jump. That was scary.